Hello, good evening. My name is Delia, and today I would like to talk about drug use and society. Drug use is one of the biggest problems facing our world today. It affects people of all ages, but young people are especially vulnerable. Drugs can destroy lives, break families, increase crime, and create serious health problems. This is why we need to understand not only the effects of drug use, but also the reasons why it continues to grow. There are many causes, to be honest, of drug use. Some people become addicted because of curiosity or peer pressure. Others use drugs to escape stress, depression, poverty, or difficult family situations. In many communities, young people do not have enough educational or job opportunities, making them easier targets for criminal groups. The, the effects of drug use are very serious. It can damage a person's physical and mental health, lead to addiction, and cause violence and insecurity in communities. Families also suffer because addiction often creates emotional pain, financial problems, and broken relationships. However, I believe there is another important issues that society should discuss. Very often, we only see the people who sell drugs on the streets. They are arrested, judged, and punished, but many of them are only a small part of a much bigger criminal organization. Behind them are powerful drug trickers who make millions of dollars without risking as much as the people working at the lowest level. These criminals leaders take advantage of poverty and the lack of opportunities. They become richer while many young people lose their freedom, their health, or even their lives. In, in my opinion, this situation is unfair. Just to be honest, it's really unfair. Fighting drugs should not mean focusing only on the weakest people in the chain. Governments must also invest more resources in fighting and prosec- prosecuting the powerful criminal organization that organize and profit from drug trafficking. At the same time, punishment alone is not enough. We also need prevention. Schools should educate young people about the dangers of drugs. Families should provide support and guidance. Governments should create more educational programs, jobs, sports, and mental health services so that people have better opportunities and do not turn to drugs. Well, that's what I think. And to conclude, drug use is a problem that affects everyone, not only the people who use drugs. We need justice, we need education, prevention, and compassion. We must help people who struggle with addiction recover, while also fighting the power for criminal networks that earn enormous profits that the suffering of others. That's really unfair, you know. Um, I think that are so. Thank you very much for your attention. Had a good night.